Wish you all a scintillating morning. My name is Deepak Sharma. I am the master trainer in this orientation program which is being conducted at Power of Devraj Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. Well, we are having 6 wonderful people, and in this out of these wonderful people, Kiran Palji, he has challenged Divedi ji to have a discussion. And the topic they are going to discuss, that's very, very interesting. As we all the people know, nowadays English is being spoken by plenty of people, and it is believed that if you don't know English, then there are so many people they consider that you are illiterate. So now we are having a discussion that what should be the national language of India. This is merely a debate, so just keep in mind. And Team Divedi ji is going to say that Hindi should be the national language of India. Hindi it is already. And Kiran ji is going to say that now the national language of India, it must be English. I would request Kiran ji to take the ice.
English is an international language. How can Hindi persons can achieve other countries' language and knowledge, which is in scientific point of view? Please tell me how can.
Hindi has become the mother tongue of India.
Loudly.
Hindi has become mother tongue of India. Without Hindi, we cannot be able to consider the real mythology of India. If we want to know who is Lord Sri Krishna, we must know Hindi or Sanskrit. If we want to know who was Lord Rama, we have to know. If we want to read our Vedas, something like Rig Veda, etc., then we must know Hindi or Sanskrit. So we can say that for Indian people, Hindi has the most important.
But nowadays, sir, in the respect of only India, if you go southern part of India, you find that if you speak in Hindi, then nobody, even the shopkeeper, even the vegetable seller, he could not understand what you are saying or no. So I think English is necessary to all of us.
Yeah, really right. When southern people come in North India, they cannot speak Hindi. How they can survive?
But someone at least 2 or 3 people, they are able to speak in English.
Yeah.
But when you go southern part,
Yeah.
you find one people who speak in Hindi.
Hindi speaking person also can speak English according to condition, and so, but in whole India, Hindi must be the language of national language.
Yes, you are right. Hindi is national language, but we find some books. If you want some important books, chemistry, physics, mathematics, then the most important books we find in English, not Hindi.
Yeah, it is your bad luck. It is our bad luck that we have to read it. In India, our books in English medium. Otherwise, all the books should be in Hindi, because Hindi is our mother tongue. Maximum Hindu, 75% Indian people speak Hindi, and so all these subjects should be taught in Hindi.
Have you heard the name of John Dewey, who was a great scholar of America? Once he had said, if we want to our mother language and our motherland, first of all, you have to go to India, because Sanskrit is our mother tongue and India is my mother country.
Sir,
Sir, excuse me.
Many of language, please many language are born in Sanskrit, but Hindi became famous because it is my mother tongue. So we believe in Hindi.
Sir, if you speak in English, in Hindi, when you abuse someone, you get teri behan ki, teri maa ki. When you said in English, just I followed you bastard. So no one knows. I said you bastard, you are happy, and I am happy because I abuse you. You are also happy, you don't know why.
Nonsense. Because
You are also speaking English.
yes,
How can you favor Hindi?
Hindi is our mother tongue.
Communication.
We
But
belong
you-
in Hindustan. Hindustan is my country.
But now you
No.
are speaking English.
But I
You cannot-
speak.
You are saying that we are speaking English that time because we are taking the part in English communication program, and so we have to speak English. Otherwise, we like Hindi. I would like to tell you a story. A woman was going in the village. Somebody was going riding his bicycle, and perhaps he had pushed him. She fell down. The woman said nothing, but after some time, he said sorry. He said, "I feel sorry. That's sorry, etc." Maybe here. Then she abused him because he he could not understand, she could not understand English, and so English is useless among us. Yeah.
In the young man you see, no one said, मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. Always say, I love you. There's a feeling when I say I love you, and it's of emotions.
This
Not
is
a-
a matter among educated persons.
No,
No,
If
even
you go
the
to
villagers,
village,
even
no,
the
if you go to village, and you say I love you,
Yeah, villagers.
then
Many of population
because of
in
village,
village.
who is educated totally, she will not be able to understand.
No.
How? Yeah.
Love is a word. Everything, everyone
I
is
have heard
understand.
many
Even
persons who try to speak English in village, and another party girls who
Sir,
is not
many-
able to speaking of understand English
many
and say
party-
yeah, I want to be your husband. How can she behave?
Sir, you understand the importance of English.
Yeah.
So you are speaking, talking
No.
me.
When everyone.
If you have no confidence,
It is not a
why
question
are you
of
speaking with
It
me?
is not a question of speaking,
Yeah.
but it is a question of this. Hindi is my mother tongue. I can do every work in Hindi. I speak in English. That is not a question.
If you go to foreign, how can get anything in hotel, etc. other
How can you
places?
survive?
No one can survive.
But
But
mean you
my life,
you will not go to America,
My
Australia,
list-
Hong Kong. You
Listen
live
me.
only in India.
Let me listen.
You can any knowledge
Sir, my question
from
is
other.
this. My question is, when any foreign leader from India, does he speak English?
Yes.
Does he speak Hindi?
No, no.
When we go to America, it is your bad luck that we have to speak English there.
Yes. We have